Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a wonderful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, this is a very powerful and special boom and crash strategy for small account. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because there are some vital information I'll be sharing and I don't want you to miss. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm going to first of all share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then I'll be explaining how it works. Okay, so we are going to be clicking on this plus icon. All right, the first indicator we have here is the Ichimoku. You click on this plus icon, you search for your Ichimoku. All right, so this is what we are going to do. So these are the settings. All right, these are the settings you are seeing on your screen right now. So you just take a screenshot or you take a pen and a paper and you note all these figures, all these things here down. Okay, so as you can see, 559, you unfill it. Time frame is all time frame. All right, so this one here is the only one I added color. As you can see, this is color white, 3 pixel. Right now, the remaining ones, this one, this one, this one, and this one, you make it the color of your background and you use 1 pixel for all of them. All right, that is how it is. Okay, so after that, you click on done and you are going to have this white line here added. The Ichimoku is going to be added to your main chart here. All right, now the second indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for your relative strength index. Now the period for the relative strength index is 1. Apply to its close. The levels we have 15 and 85. All right, 15 and 85. The style, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, the time frame, all time frame. Now this style here, now you make it color black, 1 pixel, and you click on done. And that is all for the relative strength index. Okay, so once you add the relative strength index, you are going to have this level 85 and level 15. That's what we need it for. Okay, now the last indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon, the indicator window 1 plus icon, then you search for your moving average. So as you can see here, these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, shift is -2, method is simple, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now for the style, you make it 3 pixel. You use color white or any other color of your choice. Okay, then after that, you click on done and you are going to have something like this on your screen once you have done everything I said correctly. Okay, so now before I explain the strategy, before I explain how it works, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, which I'm currently giving out. Okay, so it's a VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account or any account you want. Okay, so with this strategy, once you start trading, you are sure to grow that account no matter what. Okay, so if you follow everything I'll be sharing with you in that private video, you must grow your account. Okay, so if you are interested and you want to get this strategy, do make sure to message me. All right, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact in the description of this video. Okay, message me directly and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. Now, how does this powerful strategy work? How does this powerful strategy work? Right now, it's a very simple strategy to understand. From looking at it, you are going to know that it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, now the first condition is that you want to see a spike. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy. We don't use it to catch spike, rather we use it to trade against spike. All right, we use it to sneak in the market, pick some candle, and then we get out. All right, so now once there's a spike, you check your indicator window 1 here. Right, so this here, you see this white line, it needs to get to the overbought level, just like you are seeing here right now. So once it is at the overbought level, you don't just go in, you check your main chart, right? So now you can see that price cross below this white line here, right? So that is the same thing you are going to wait for. You want to wait for the candlestick to cross below this white line on the main chart, all right? So it's going to cross like one candle. After one candle below the white line, the next candle that will form, you go in and you pick 5 candles, right? So after this one candle, you go in. After one candle below the white line, you go in for your 5 candles and you exit the market. Just like I said earlier, it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, so now that is one example. Now the line, you can see from the beginning here is not touching the 15 level. So once the market is doing something like this, going up and down, like fluctuating, you can see up and down, don't take entry with this kind of thing. All right, it's not a strong support and resistance zone. Okay, so now you can see this one here, it's a very strong support and resistance zone. All right, so you can see it's not fluctuating. So this is the type of one you take entries from. All right, so you wait for price to cross below the white line on the main chart and you pick your 5 candle, you exit the market. That's how the strategy work. Okay, that's how the strategy work. All right, so you can see this is not a good condition to take entry, so I will not be taking anything. So that is it. That is how the strategy work. Let me show you guys some example on crash. All right, so now you can see this is the one touching the 85 level, the 15 level. Sorry, this is crash, so it's going to be 15 level. Right, everything we discuss on boom is we are going to be doing the opposite here. Okay, so you wait for it to get to the oversold level, you wait for crossing of one candle, you pick 5 candles and you exit the market. That is how it work. You can see here, same thing, and like that. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to back test the strategy. All right, make sure you back test it very well. Don't take my words for it. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you put in the work yourself to see that the strategy is working before you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one. For those of you who have been asking for my mentorship, okay, you can check the description. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Do make sure to message me directly and we'll discuss on that also. Okay, and guys, please, you can see my WhatsApp, my Telegram channel link there. Do make sure to join also, because there are some information that will help you, okay, that I'm currently working on now. Okay, there's a project I'm currently working on and I believe it's going to help you. So check the description and join the Telegram channel, all right, so that you can be part of what is about to happen. All right, so I think that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.